Yes, today we presented the first results of the niche study, which stands for Neoadjuvant ipilimumab plus nivolumab in early stage colon cancer. And this is a first in kind study, so this has never been done before. And what we saw is that in patients with dMMR tumors, so the MMR deficient colon cancers, which comprise around 15% of early stage colon cancers, we saw 100% major pathological responses. And that was very impressive. We expected these patients to respond, but we did not think that these tumors would disappear in 4 weeks' time in all patients. And also in the MMR proficient tumors, we saw that these tumors were responding in the sense that in the tumor microenvironment we were seeing changes. So we're seeing increased infiltration of CD8 T cells, we're seeing increased TCR clonality. However, these tumors are not responding as well as the dMMR tumors are, but we do not know what would have happened if we would have waited a bit longer, for example, in these tumors. We included 14 patients in the presentation. We have 19 patients included total now. And of those 14 patients, we had 7 dMMR tumors and 8 pMMR tumors. And that's because one patient had a double tumor, so the addition is correct, it's 15 tumors.
And when it comes to their tolerance of the treatments, how well did it go down?
Yes, that went very well. The treatment was deemed safe, so all patients received both planned treatment doses. They all underwent the timely resection of their tumor, radical resection of the tumors, and we saw very few grade 3 adverse events, 2 preoperative adverse events, and one of which was actually due to pseudoprogression. So this patient had a complete response, but had an adverse event due to that, and 3 adverse events were post-operative, and all of them were deemed due to be to the surgery and not to the immunotherapy. So this treatment was safe and very feasible.
Okay. Have you seen anything that has been found in some other cases of using checkpoint immunotherapy where the stronger the reaction, the stronger the adverse events, the more duration there is in response?
So we were very glad that that was not the case with regards to the adverse events in our population. So we saw a very strong reaction, but that did not, we did not see that back in the adverse events in this patient population. So we're hoping that this will be the case for all patients treated in the neoadjuvant setting with low-dose ipilimumab. And we have to remember that this is a very short-term treatment, so they only receive 2 treatment doses, but maybe that's enough.
Are there any plans for expansion to see what happens with different patients, more drug?
Yes, so we're still including patients. The trial is ongoing, and we hope to be able to give an update soon on what is happening in the pMMR tumors, but also if we continue to see these fantastic responses in dMMR tumors, which we have very good hopes for that would be the case. This is the first time this has been shown in early stage colon cancers, and the fact that we're seeing major pathological responses in all dMMR tumors makes that these data have the potential to be practice changing. And as our discussant also talked about, this may be the future of these patients with dMMR tumors. So let's hope that we can see that happen.
And if I could also ask for just a quick comment on how this research fits into the other research presented by Dr. Lenz, I think it is.
Yeah, so that is in patients with metastatic disease who have not received prior treatment for their metastases. And what we see there is that the response rates increase compared to when you treat patients in the heavily pretreated patients, which they have published before. So now we see that if you move it up, you see more responses. The overall survival data still have to come in, but that is very encouraging. And that is in line with what we are seeing, that if you give the treatment earlier, you have better responses.
Okay, so checkpoint inhibitors for colorectal cancer showing promise there?
Definitely for dMMR colorectal cancers. For the pMMR tumors, we have hope. We're seeing things happen, but we just need to find out what this means exactly and how we can improve if it needs improvement. Yes, and that will be in the future.
Okay, well, we look forward to hearing more from you as it comes out there.
Perfect, thank you.